Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Again, I'm going to do a walk around video followed up by an operational video of this Bobcat mini excavator that just came in. So it's a 2017 Bobcat E35. Cab, heat, air. The air blows nice and cold. Auxiliary hydraulics, backfill blade. This one does have the hydraulic exchange quick coupler. This one is powered by the Kubota diesel engine. I just drove this one a little bit ago, ran it around for a little bit. Hydraulics are really strong on this one. It's got brand new tracks. Here's the front blade. Front blade's got a couple little spots where it's got some dents and dings in it, but no cracks or welds or anything on it like you see on a lot of them. Same thing over here. Sheet metal has a few little dents and dings and scratches. Kind of see here. Nothing out of the ordinary for a used mini excavator. Pretty good sprockets on both sides, plenty of life left there. Small little dent there underneath the step. Look back here. Have a look inside the engine compartment here. Pretty clean here. Take a look inside the cab. Floor's pretty clean. The floor mat's there, it's not all tore up. The sticks are good. No cuts or tears in the seat. Armrests are good on both sides. Again, this one is a 2017 with 3,799 hours. We'll get right into an operational video here.